Hey, good morning. All right, so we're gonna do ourselves a little cold start video here. Let me tell you what's going on with the car here. Yesterday, the wife and I went to Tampa. We took the other car, the Corolla. This one was parked in the driveway. As you can see, it's not in the driveway. It's on the grass adjacent. And anyways, I had to move this one yesterday about 5:30 in the morning. It was very cold. It was about 45 degrees yesterday morning. And this car, every time you have a change of dramatic change of weather, this car does not want to start up properly. It's very cranky. It's about 50 degrees right now. It was about 43 earlier this morning. In fact, this car actually had I checked it earlier today, it had a fine layer of frost up here in the roof. It's all defrosted now. It's just beads of dew. It's kind of dirty too because we had some rain. So anyways, I'm going to see how it behaves this morning on a cold start. It's about 50 degrees right now, which that sounds nice to you guys up north, but down here in Florida it feels more like 38. I'm wearing a leather jacket right now. So let's see what it does. It's even colder in the interior than it is outside. Yeah, that's about what it was doing yesterday too. What a crank. Crabby car. See, it should roar to life and go right on fast idle. It's not doing that. Yep, I'm gonna have to help it along. Treating it like an old carbureted car. Ah, jeez. Water. Yep, see? The minute I let go of the gas, it stalls right out. If I keep my foot on the pedal long enough, it will eventually run on its own, but very slowly. This car has quite a personality. This is ridiculous. It's like burping a car that has a maladjusted choke with a carburetor. Let's see, if I do this for long enough, it'll eventually run on its own, but very slowly. I don't want to race it too hard while it's cold like this. Sometimes you'll hear it just catch and it'll start running on its own on fast idle like it's supposed to, but it's not doing that this morning. See, the minute I let go of the gas, it starts to bog and then it shuts off. And you should know this car takes forever to warm up too. Nah, not quite. See, it almost stalled. That little battery light flashed on the dash there. What a crabby, cranky old car. Okay, so here, it's running on its own right now. just barely. There's also a very pungent odor of unburned fuel back here too. It stinks. Listen to it. It's chugging along like it's 4 decades old. Good grief. And the thing is, it doesn't do this every time. Just sometimes. At least now it'll run on its own without me having to, nurse it along with the gas pedal. See, that temperature gauge hasn't budged an inch. This thing is still ice cold. Ah, see, look at that. I just killed it. This is actually one of the worst ways I've ever seen it be. Yep. This is ridiculous, man. Okay, got it back running on its own again. Hey, honey. My wife came outside to see what I was up to. I'm documenting this. Yeah. Yeah, so Chuck, if you and the guys have any input or advice on how to correct this problem, I'd sure like appreciate it, because the thing that's so weird about it is it never throws a check engine light at me when it does this crap. It just behaves like it's just, I don't know, being a cantankerous old bag. This is ridiculous, because it's, modern fuel injected vehicle. It shouldn't behave this way. It's sounding better. All right, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and close up this video. I'm going to let this car warm up the rest of the way on its own. I'm not going to, torment you guys any more than that. So, anyways, y'all have a good day. Take care. God bless.